Hi everyone, thank you for joining in. I would like to present you my overview of the Beyerdynamic DT240 wired on-ear close-back headphones. So without further ado, let's start from unboxing. As you can see, there is nothing really special about the packaging. There is some specifications printed on the side. It comes in rather slim carton box. Everything is simple, understandable and recyclable. Let's look inside. The headphones fixed on a plastic shell. There is also a small pouch with accessories. I'll start from accessories. In this little plastic pack we've got nice soft synthetic fabric pouch, quite spacey, and coiled high quality 1.2 meter cable with 3.5 to 6.3 mm adapter. Cable itself feels great, some sort of traditional quality for pro-grade headphones. Moving on to the headphones itself. From the first sight, all made very well. Headphones feels light and durable. Metal headband with some plastic elements also look quite comfortable, with soft plastic leather kind surface, so it should be surely comfortable to wear. Speaker assembly based around aluminium shell and metal holder, which makes it quite strong and durable from my point of view. Detachable cable connected through the 2.5 mm jack. Very nice, it is simple, quite common connection and works just great. Also makes it quite easy to find a substitute if you need one. Speaking of which, I've got here an old 2.5 to 3.5 mm headphones cable from JBL E55BT wireless headphones with microphone and remote control built in. It works just fine with DT240. The other interesting option could be this generic, so to say, 2.5 to 3.5 mm cable with remote control, which was originally marketed for Bose and AKG headphones. It worked just fine with DT240. This cable made quite well with some sturdy metal elements and nylon shell, which is very durable according to advertisement. I'm using this cable quite often myself, it works just great. Another interesting thing for me would be the AirPods. Although the supplied AirPods were not bad at all, I prefer deeper and softer versions. Softer AirPods makes these headphones much more comfortable to wear, especially with glasses. The procedure of changing the AirPods is straightforward, no problems at all. Basically you just have to choose the right size. So, how about the sound? I've used these headphones for over 9 months. I can describe my experience as very good overall. This headphones is capable of producing very loud and engaging sounds with fairly flat frequency response, therefore quite transparent and truthful to the source. DT240 Pro is fantastic just as hi-fi headphones too. Very light accent on lower frequencies makes it very comfortable and warm sounding. All details are clear and easy accessible, so to say, without overpowering bass. The headphones could provide great definition, soundstage and feeling of presence. Unfortunately, common 3.5 mm out is not so common anymore, but happily we acquired the option of using little portable digital to analog converters or DACs or DACs. It's plug and play, reliable and sound quite good. Now let's talk about professional applications. As I already have said, the DT240 Pro has a very comfortable and warm sound. It makes these headphones very well suitable for tracking microphones and live instruments. You can easily trace imperfections such as low frequency rumble and general texture of the signal during live sessions. Also, these headphones would work very well for tracking guitars, drums or vocals. The only thing I would not recommend it for would be music mastering or multi-track mixdowns. Don't get me wrong, there is nothing bad about the audio quality of these headphones, but there is slightly better options for this particular works from my point of view. I can name a couple of models with better focus in higher middle frequencies, like for example my favorite AKG K271 MK2 or Beyerdynamic own DT770 or DT1770. I believe the other great way of using these headphones would be in audio for video setups. Monitoring audio for video is surely great with these headphones. The T240 Pro has a very good sound isolation. It stays firmly on the head, so it is a very comfortable thing to work with on a set, from my experience. Obviously, I cannot skip on DJing, podcasting or gaming. The T240 Pro is great for that. As I already have said, the headphones are relatively light and loud, which makes it nicely suitable for these tasks. Even DT240 are not foldable at all. The T240 Pro is marketed for creators, like in case with writing music on portable devices. I have to say that these headphones could go quite loud, easy to drive for portable amplifiers, which makes it obviously great to use in such cases. I think the T240 Pro is somehow related to the custom street headphones from some time ago. They look and sound kinda alike, although the T240 Pro is more refined and slightly improved from my point of view. Overall, the T240 Pro is very well made and designed pair of headphones. It stayed firmly on the head and with good padding did not turn uncomfortable even after extensive sessions. Suitable for professional and casual use. I could easily recommend it to anyone who would like to have a warm-sounded, closed-back, on-ear, wired headphones. And that would be all for now. Thank you for joining in. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe and see you all next time.